Hey guys, it's the 26th of December. So first of all, I'd like to wish you Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the 5 power-packed SEO tips for the year 2020. And this will be very beneficial for all those guys who want to start a new online venture in the coming year. So if you have made up your resolutions to start something new online, so this video is especially for all the entrepreneurs and small business owners. So let's get started. So if still you have not subscribed to this channel, so please do subscribe and press bell icon, because whenever I publish such type of more videos, you get the notifications. So in this channel we publish 2 type of videos, 2 language videos. So you can go to the main channel and select the playlist SEO in Hindi for the Hindi videos and SEO in English for the English videos. Hey, I'm having a little bit of cold today, but nothing can stop me to make videos, especially for you guys. As you already know that I publish videos on this channel on Mondays and Thursdays. Timing you know, or you can go to the channel page and check the timings. So let's get started. To start an online venture, you need the prerequisite is domain name and hosting for your website. So you can select your domain name with the branding of your company, the name of your company, or you can also include some keywords also. And for the website, you will require the services of a website developer. You will have to search the good website developer, and your website should be the best one in your industry, because sometimes when we start some venture, because no one is going to visit your showroom, no one is going to see your office, no one is going to see what is the financial condition of your company. The first impression is the last impression. Your customers will see your website and they will make the first impression about your organization. So I request you, never compromise in the quality of your website. Hire a good developer, get a good website made and better than your competitors, and also try to make the website and hit your target audience psychologically, because you should know what colors, what language and what they really want on your website. So if you include all these things on your website, the first step for your success you have already achieved. So sometimes it's really very hard to get the great website developer. So why to stop till you get a great developer? You can start on your own. Yes, and the second point is Google My Business. If you get your business registered in the Google My Business, you will get a free dynamic website, one-page website, which you can very easily develop yourself. You just have to fill in the details, and then the Google My Business will verify your business locations in the Google Maps. Once you're verified, you have to fill in all the details regarding your business, like your description of the business, description of your products and services, your keywords, your tags, the prices, the timings when you are open. And on the left hand side on the dashboard of Google My Business, you will find there is a tab of a website, and that website tab will give you one-page dynamic website. You can post the images of your products or services, you can post the videos, and automatically when you post them on Google My Business, they will automatically be included on your website. And you can select the themes according to your business. Plus, there is one more provision. You can buy your domain name from this dashboard, because so when you make a website, it will be like your name, googlesites.com. But if you want to purchase domain name which only represents your company, you can purchase the domain name from this particular dashboard. So now you have a website. Isn't it that great? You don't need some developer to develop your website. So now you have a domain name, you have a website, and you have already registered your business at Google My Business. Whatever the information you have written on this Google My Business, that has power packed your on-page SEO. And now is the time to work on some off-page SEO, and that is how to bring traffic from outside to your website. And third point is forums. The third point is the forums, because forums are a very good source of providing traffic to your business. So how to search for the forums which are related to your business? Go to the Google search, type forums space the keywords related to your business. For example, like forums space toys. If I'm a manufacturer of toys, or if I'm a manufacturer of woolen wear, I will type forums space woolen wear. So when you will click on the search button, you will see the top 10 results. You will see all the forums. So you have to register these forums, and once you are registered, you have to find the threads where the community is discussing about your kind of business, your kind of products, your kind of services. If you can't find, make a thread regarding your own particular services, but make sure the language which you write should not be in an advertising tone. That should be like you're helping the community. So if it is this is something related, like you are a manufacturer of some woolen wear, so you can write, oh, this is very cold in this part of the world. I was looking for the latest fashion trends in the woolen wears, and can someone please suggest me? So then people will suggest the various colors, the companies online where you can purchase that particular product. And when the conversation starts, after a few days or weeks, then you can write, oh, come on, I find this thing really interesting, and then you put your website link. There is also an option to add the anchor tags of your keywords back to your website, but this has to be done in a very systematic way. You have to be very clever, because if you do this particular thing in a hurry, chances are that you will be banned from the forums. Do not register too many forums at one go, because if you do that, they will ban you. So make it a habit, be consistent, and if you are able to get 15 backlinks in 1 month, so just think about what will be the numbers for 1 year. So these are the power-packed links which you will be able to get from these forums to your website, and making your SEO power-packed very strong. And now the fourth point, that is the social media. You'll have to be very, very active in the social media, like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and if possible, try to make videos of your products or services, because these days people don't want to read. They just want to see what type of products you want to show them. So this will help you to be one step ahead of your competitors. And now the fifth point is, if you do some paid ads in Google, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you have to find out where your type of target audience, your customers, are hanging in which platform. You have to do this particular research, and once you have find out your type of target audience is in such and such type of social media platform, do some ads on that particular platform. Target your locations and continuously try to improve. See what are the results you are getting. There's Google Analytics also, which provides you the real data, how people are responding to your kind of work. This SEO is not a one-time job. You have to be very consistent and regular. And once you apply all these things, definitely you will develop your own techniques. Plus, you will learn many new things, because when you work something in a practical way, when you work something regularly, you learn many new things. So I request you to please do subscribe and press bell icon, because to learn more about the SEO, you should get the notification when I publish more videos on this channel. So I again wish you a Merry Christmas and a very fun-filled Happy New Year, and success for your online business venture. Take care. Bye-bye.